We are Uniq, we are the Uneegirls.
This is just a beginning of what we are going to do.
We are here at the Senior Citizens Home run by Coimbatore District Welfare Association. There are around 36 inmates here.
All of them here have been left out to be on their own by their own families.
And here, these inmates have created their own new family.
That's when we decided we should do something for them. Because they deserve to be taken care of.
It's not that the center is not doing anything for these elders.
After graduation, all of us got a good job in our hometown.
And so, we wanted to be part of a good initiation. We decided to sponsor a full day meals for them.
We have also got many other items that would be useful for them.
I'm Aashika. I'm Divya.
I'm Shifa.
Myself, Shoundharya.
We are Uniq, we are the Uneegirls.
Lean, innovative, visual, engaging. Uneecops, building live enterprises.